What's going on, Ninja Nerds? All right, so you've watched the lecture, you've gone through the notes, you've studied the illustrations alongside with me, but here's the real question. Do you actually know the material? That's exactly what our quizzes are designed to help you find out. So let me walk you through how we really build these quizzes. Every quiz that we have is built specifically around the content covered in that video lecture, explained further in the notes. It's not random practice questions that are just yanked from a textbook. These questions are pretty much designed to challenge your ability to recall and apply the information that you just learned from the video, from the notes, from the illustration. All right, so when you sit down and you take one of these quizzes, you're getting a real measure of whether or not you truly understand the material. And that's what matters. It's not just recognizing terms, memorizing. It's not just saying, all right, I got this information. It's about being able to use that information in the way that you will truly need on exam day. It's the application of that knowledge. So head over to ninjanerd.org, sign up, and start putting your knowledge to the test. All right, Ninja Nerds, let's get into it.